What is up, you guys? Welcome back today with another video. Today we are making another Cooking with Ed. Let's go! Let's go! So today I'm making my mom a steak. She hasn't had dinner yet, so I decided to cook her a steak. You know, just because I want to be nice. She's been stressed out at work. You know, she's been busy at work and all that. So yeah. So today we're gonna be making another cooking video. We're gonna be making a steak. So stay tuned for the steak. And yeah, we'll see you guys down in the kitchen. But again, make sure you guys give this video like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you guys in the next shot. Okay. Welcome back, you guys. So this is the steak. We got the steak. We have the oven, the grill. We're gonna use it with. First of all, we're gonna put some salt and pepper on the steak. So we're gonna put some, I think this is pepper, I don't know how much pepper we're gonna put, but now we're gonna put some salt, like so. Oops, that's a little too salty there. Should I remove this, no, keep it on there?
It's holding the bacon in place.
Oh, so we have a steak with bacon.
A filet mignon.
A filet mignon.
Let's first get some oil.
Let's, here, this one?
Yeah.
Okay. This, yeah, so there's, yeah. So we're gonna put some oil. Like that much, a little more. More?
Yeah.
That's about it, right? I'm gonna put the steak. The steak.
Salt down. Salt side down.
That's right. Like so. Oh, I can smell the bacon. I can really smell the bacon in my hand. Yeah, you can really hear that sizzling sound. Again.
Salt and pepper the other side.
So we're gonna salt and pepper the other side here. We're gonna do the salt. And we're gonna do the pepper. The steak is for my mom. So for her little dinner. Okay, that's looking good. We got a spatula. That's just good. We're gonna come back in 5 minutes and see you guys in 5 minutes. Peace. Smells really good. We got 2 minutes remaining. Looking real good. Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back. We got our utensils here to flip the steak. Hold on, like so. Look at that. Really nice. Getting some cooking action here. Getting some cooking action. Let's do a little more. Look at the size of it grilled. Like so. Yes, look at it working there. Look at that, it smells real good. I don't eat bacon, but it smells good. What happened here? So that's little grill marks. That's the bacon. Like right, the bacon right there. They're looking real good. Just like use this, like this. Yeah. Welcome back, guys. So I forgot to tell you, we have some mushrooms to go with my mom's meal. So if you look here, the timer just ended. We have some mushrooms. We're gonna put the mushrooms here to warm them up. So let's do that right now. I'm gonna put the mushrooms. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you got them cooking. Warm them up a little bit.
Okay, ready to put it again?
Alright, we are ready to put everything on the plate so my mom can do her testing. So, we got the knife, we got the fork. We're going to start by putting the steak. I got it. Yeah. I put the steak. There's the steak. And now I'm going to put the mushrooms on the... Oh, that smells pretty good. I don't like mushrooms, but it smells good. So there's that. And that is my mom's plate. So, we'll see you guys in the next shot from my mom's tasting, and we'll end the video from there. Welcome back, you guys. So tomorrow is Halloween, but forget that. Today's video is cooking with Ed. So, my mom is legit cutting her steak, and she's gonna also let us know how the mushrooms are as well. So there it goes. They got the bacon on in the middle as well. Looking really good. All right, she's gonna taste it. Let's see what she thinks about my cooking. It's good. That's good. She got another bite. How's the mushrooms? Gonna try that next.
Very tasty.
All right, I like to hear that kind of feedback. There goes the mushrooms. All right, thanks for tuning, guys. We'll see you guys in the next shot for the ending video. Thanks, guys. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Cooking with Ed videos, etc., vlogs, music, pranks, and so on. I haven't done a prank yet, but I'm working on that. I'm trying to get a vlog camera so we can do some pranks on the family. I have this one prank where I pretend to crack my neck or my back. I got it from a vlogger, but you get a raw pasta and you go like, ah, my neck, you crack your neck and they think that, oh, and then you say, ah. It's a really brilliant prank. I cannot wait to do it on my family. So stay tuned for that video. I cannot wait, like I said, and make sure you guys do like this video, and we'll see you guys. And we'll see you guys in the next shot. Peace.
Now she want me, hey, now she want me. Yeah, I swear up on your daughter.